Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Jessica, and in today's video I thought I'd do a very quick video on how I apply my lashes for beginners. A little backstory: I used to never ever apply lashes because I didn't know how to apply them. Well, not that I didn't know how, but they just didn't work for me. I always apply them and then they would always fall off, or the glue wouldn't be tacky enough even though I would let it sit for a while, and I'm just like, oh my god, I don't understand how I cannot put lashes on. So then I was fully convinced that my lashes were maybe too long for lashes, and I'm like, I don't know, I'm never gonna wear lashes even though I really wanted to. So I was watching a TikTok and somebody applied their glue on their actual eyelid instead of their lashes, and I'm like, you know what, let me try that. And ever since then I've become the lash queen in my eyes. Like, I know how to apply lashes now and they actually stay on. So that is what today's video is going to be about, with me and how I apply my lashes for beginners. As you guys can see, I already have my makeup on. I'm actually running late. What's new? But I'm on my way to work, and I decided, you know what, let me just film this video on how I do my lashes, because I know myself, I used to watch so many videos of people applying lashes and I'm like, I get it, but I don't get it. So I figured, you know what, let me do an alternative method and let's see if you guys make it work, because I know this is the only way that I can make my lashes work. Today I'm using these lashes that I got from Amazon, and they're fluttery, they're fluffy, and we're gonna apply them together. So I already did a light layer of mascara. I'm actually gonna zoom you in so you guys can see better. Like I said, I already did a light layer of mascara on my lashes. Sometimes I don't do a layer of mascara and I notice it doesn't mesh well. So always do a layer of mascara, just a small layer. And then for the glue I'm using the Kiss Strip Lash Adhesive that looks like that. I actually bought a newer one, and the newer one looks like this. I don't like this. I don't like the applicator, so I've been like transferring it because I rather use the stick. I don't know what the popular lash glue is, so if you guys could leave recommendations down below so I can try out new lash glue, I wouldn't mind doing that, but for now this is the one I use. And what I do is I get my mirror and I kind of close my eyes, get the glue, and we're gonna apply it like we would apply a liner. I'm gonna go in and apply it as closely to my lashes. My finger slipped, so I hit that. But we're gonna apply it as closely to my lash line as possible. If it gets on your lashes, it's okay, because my lashes are so long, it's going to do that. I tend to apply a little more in the corner of my eye and in the center, because that's where it seems to not stick. I like when it gets on my lashes because it makes it stick to the false lashes more. Preference, doesn't matter, it's up to you. And you're gonna grab your lashes that you're using, and what I tend to do while this is drying a little bit is I take my tweezers and I clean it up if it needs to be cleaned up. I trim up if it's a new pair of lashes and I need to trim it. So that way it kills some time and you're able to let this dry. So that is what I'm gonna do. Tools I'm using today to apply them is tweezers to set them on, and then 9 out of 10 you should get these in your false lashes, whatever ones you order. Sometimes you don't, or with the glue, and they look like these. They're these type of tweezers for your lashes. It helps pinch them together. So those are what I'm gonna do. So I take my lashes because it is starting to dry a little bit, and I grab it in the middle and I try to keep my eye open but tilt my head down, and I'm going to apply it in the center first, like that. Then I take it and I push down the inner corners, and then I do the outer corners. After that, I start to pinch them together. Now, this is why I do a lot more in my inner corners, because they tend to lift up more in my inner corner. And I know In person you can see, but there's a gap between my lashes. They will close once I clip them together, scrunch them together. And I'm kind of just fluffing them up how I would want them to look. And I'm good with that. While that's drying and in its place, that's when I apply the lash on the other eye and apply those false lashes. So I'm gonna do that real quick. The lashes are on. What I normally do is while this is drying, I go on this side and I take the tweezers and I go between the false lashes and my lashes and I kind of pinch. Now sometimes it lifts up, that means it's not dry yet. You just got to keep reapplying it to make sure it's okay. Sometimes I go in like this to pinch so I can do smaller sections at a time and have more control over it. And all I'm doing is pinching my real lashes with the false lashes so there's not a gap. Okay, so the lashes are squeezed together. Sometimes, depending on how I apply them, I do apply eyeliner kind of in the corner. So that is what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna apply it like this. So it looks like the lashes are extended. Like that. You can also take an eyeliner and kind of do your waterline on the top lash. Some people, to blend their lashes and the false lashes, they use mascara. I don't like doing that because I feel like the lifespan of your lashes kind of go down a little bit when you add mascara to it because it gets all clumpy and just nasty. So I try to leave it to where my lashes don't have any mascara on it. Glue is one thing because you can end up peeling the glue off, but mascara, I try to have it to where it does not get on my lashes. But to each their own, it's all your own preference. Like makeup, it's however you want to wear it, it's however you want to rock it, it's however you want to apply it, it's whatever you want to do, it's your own, and that is how I do it. So that is the final video. This is how I apply my lashes. It is the only way that I seem to know how to apply them. I tried so many times to leave the glue on the lash itself, try to apply it that way, and it just doesn't work. I feel like it sticks and it heats better when I apply it on my lid because of the body heat. It just melts the glue a lot better. Maybe I'm making shit up, I don't know. Proof is in the pudding. I cannot apply it the other way. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope I've helped somebody out there because like I said, I've been looking for videos to search on how to apply lashes and I've never seen anybody apply it this way until I saw TikTok. So thank you, whoever that was, because you changed my life. If you guys want to see more videos from me, don't forget to subscribe, turn your notifications on. I post a video every Sunday. Give this video a thumbs up and comment down below. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.